Hi everybody, this is Bill. I wanted to give you a quick explanation of the new event tool that we have for all the pro members. If you've ever had an event, whether it's a live webinar or a Google Hangout, you understand the power of building teams and training people online. And I wanted to give you guys a tool to help make that an even better event. So what we've done is we've set it up so that you can archive events so that people can go back and see them. We actually have up and coming events, so you can actually have a time clicker and an event calendar for people so they can see when the next ones are, so they can invite people to the event. To create event, it's pretty simple. You just put a title and subtitle in, you set the date, the hour, and then create the event on Google Hangouts. Once you create the event on Google Hangouts, all you do is you click the button link to the actual event. That's where the event URL is going to go, and then the video code or the embed code goes right in here. Now, if you want to create or use an event from the past, something that you've already done in the past, and you want to build an archive of history so that people can go and see them, all you have to do is select archive and hit submit, and this event will be marked and put in the archive, and it won't show up in the future coming events. So you can actually tag some of your old events, some of your old video codes. You can put your videos in here. And then what we've done is you have two different pages that this launches. The first thing is a standard event page that's created with your own header. It sets up the next two events that are coming. You can actually see that tonight's event is already over, so there's no ticker, there's no time countdown. This event just ended 28 minutes ago. So Saturday Night Live, it actually shows the last event, which was a few minutes ago. It shows a link to the event, so a person can actually click, go to the event so they can chat, so they can be a part of it, or they can just watch it live here. Either way, they can watch the event live, and then they can see when the next event's going to be. Down here you see all the archives. Any video that you've done in the past, whether it's any YouTube video from the past or any event video that you're doing, gets archived automatically. If you have an event or a video in here that you don't like, you can actually use the tool to delete it out of your system, and the event will not show up in your archives anymore. So it's a pretty simple, powerful tool for you to be able to invite people to your events, have archives to the past ones, get them to your event pages, and actually then use it as a promotion for your company, for your training, for your events. The second part of the tool is you can then make it a lead generation page for you and your people. That with the tool, you can change the header to be a slightly different header. Practical training, exactly what to do, please join below. They can actually see the archive videos, they can be part of the live event, they can go to the live pages just like before, but we've added a form here to give them a welcome letter so that they can go into your lead manager, and you now have a tool that can be event process with a lead generator for all of your people. And with each ID that you give out to your people, every person that promotes it can either be promoting the parent lead generator, or they can promote their own lead generator. If they're a member and they have a back office with a solution, we can actually generate leads for them by promoting the event. So that's the tool. Pretty simple, easy to do, but also very powerful. Here down at the bottom you see that we have the two headers that are different. One for the main header for the generation of the training, and then another lead generation header. If they send it out as a lead tool, you can actually swap out the headers, and with the click of a button you can go in here and create your own. You can actually create your own header, save that file and image to your desktop, and then choose it, upload it, and it swaps it out for you. You can actually make as many headers as you want, swap it out as often as you need to, so you can have different trainings every single day. You can have different themes for the week, you can have different theme for the month, and swap out your headers so it can go accordingly. You can also set it up so that with multiple accounts you can be training one type of training for success and motivation stuff. You can have another completely different account, so you can set up and have training that's based on your product or your service or customer service or whatever you want. I mean, you can actually build this for an internal company training, or you can build it for live training for your business or opportunity. So there you go. Simple, easy to do. All you have to do is be an upgraded member. If you have any questions at all, just submit a ticket. Be more than happy to help. If you get stuck, submit a ticket. We'll be happy to fix it for you. All right, enjoy the site.